How to change account on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can change account or switch your accounts on the Facebook app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to switch to an account on the Facebook app, so open the Facebook application and then sign into one of your accounts. You can see I'm signed into one of my accounts. Let's say I want to switch to another account. Now there are two things happening over here. For that, first of all, come to your menu page. At the very top you can see your name and this pages. If you want to switch to some other pages that this account has access to, you can tap on this drop down menu and you can select any of the other pages. Now keep in mind, these are the pages that has been actually accessed by this specific account. That's why I'm seeing them here. But if you want to switch to a new Facebook account, right, you just want to change the account and not pages. For that, you have to log out of this current account. So to do that, just scroll down and then here you'll find the button called logout. Just tap on logout and then just tap on the confirm button in order to log out of your account. Right now, once you log out, you can basically switch your account by just tapping the login button or use another account button over here in order to successfully sign into that account. This is how you can change account on Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.